What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. In today's YouTube video, I'll be showing you guys how to make your avatar all black like mine is. I don't know if this is patched or not, so please don't dislike it. I don't know if it's patched. Just look at the date when the video was made. Or actually, you can see right here, it was made January 2nd, 2020. And hopefully everybody had a good New Year. And so let's get into it. So first up, we're gonna take off all your clothing. That sounds wrong, but just take off all your clothing. And when you do that, create a costume for that, just in my future videos. So you can, instead of wasting your time and like unclicking everything, clicking everything you already have equipped, you can just click this and it'll take off everything. Okay, so what you're gonna do is go to head. You're gonna change everything to woman. Or in the other one, okay, also the head, yes. Okay, so head, woman, torso, woman, left arms, woman, right arm, woman, woman, woman. Okay, so now we look like a woman, right? Okay, so what we're going to do is go to body, and where it says skin tone, advanced, and you're gonna put really black, but it makes you look like this, right? But we're not done. So if you go to advanced again, you only go to torso, and then you click on the color that's just black, and it looks like this, okay? But that's not all the way black. As you saw before, we want it to look all black. So here's what we're gonna do. Okay, so we have it. So we're just gonna change our skin tone. Okay, so that was way number 1. The next version is gonna actually cost 10 Robux, you guys. So this is the free version. So you can stop the video if you don't have 10 Robux. Then just stop the video. There, you look all black. Okay, so the next way, we look. Okay, just change it to all black now. Just all black. Okay. And I will put the link in the description to these things. So I'm specifically made them for this, and I named them. And so like when you actually equip them, okay, so someone favorited it. And this, so like basically these two things, when you equip them after you buy them, it makes you look all black because they actually. So I made them all green, and professional, I made that all green also. And since Roblox doesn't allow you to make shirts that are just one color, if you equip these, it'll think you're wearing a shirt, and it'll actually make you all black. The face, you can keep that as to anything, as long as it's not a weird color like this face. You wouldn't be all black because it has extra coloring in it, and people could see your face. So we're gonna go with, I don't know. You can just go with freckles, good intention, all this stuff that just has black in the background. And there you have it. That's how you make your avatar all black. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next YouTube.